Looking for her lunch. 하지만 그게 재밌다. 그리고 시도 그래너 이제 인용거나.
You wanna eat with me? Wanna eat?
Not yet. Is that you eat croissant?
Yeah, but you don't do that at home.
Yeah.
With your other hand.
They're really nice.
Which way do you write? With your left hand or your right hand? Okay, then you
Yeah.
hold your towards to the left. You use this to cut. Okay? We're not even doing it right.
Up.
This is your food. This is what your food.
Hey, she feel comfortable. So no.
Where's the chicken?
Just she feel okay.
Chicken. Chicken. Skippy. Chicken.
You gotta cut it with your right hand.
So no,
Why? How to look?
not 吃到了
Look down and side.
啊。She said try it.
It's like that.
Not
Is that
bad.
better? You guys can eat my burger. I'm not eating it all.
Burger? It's not burger.
Meat though.
原来 burger 弄到烧火。
Chicken.
I'm not even doing anything. I'm not eating food up there.
Otherwise,
Literally
it's
so many times.
You're still waiting for yours, right?
Yeah.